Now let us take, in this module I'll discuss about how to solve sums using distributive property. In our module 6 also we have done, but then it was if the left hand side of the formula was given, we use right hand side to solve it. Now we will do it other way. Now this also example you need to write down. There we have done example 1 and 2. So this is your example 3. Suppose I take a question 725 into 36. Yes. Now students, if you see this type of example, well 36 will be too difficult for you to understand now in the first question. Let me take another one. Suppose I write 41. Yes. Now we are asked to multiply this using property. So using property means what will you do? Yes. You will use just multiply it? No, property has to be used. Here you see this is multiply. So what we will do to use property, and to make our calculation easy, we will split one of the numbers into their subparts. Number into subparts means we will expand the number. Here what we will do, we will write 725 and children 41. How can you expand it? Expansion you have learnt in class 1. So 41 you can expand by writing 40 plus 1. Yes or no? Now this looks like what? Two operations are there, multiply and addition. So this looks like our associative distributive property. Which property? We had one property with multiply and addition. This a into b in plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. Yes or no? So this exactly looks like the right hand side of the property. Right hand side means when there is a equal to sign, what we write here, this equal to sign you can consider as your head, okay, as your body. So this is which side it is coming of your body, on your left hand side, and this is coming to the right, so this is your right hand side. So this part we call LHS or left hand side, this is right hand side or RHS. So you see this looks like your right hand side. If it looks like our right hand side, we can rewrite it using left side. The purpose is same, students, to make our calculation easy so that we can do it mentally. So what we will do, a into b plus c is written as a into b. A is 725 here. So b is what? 40. A into b, then what sign will come? Plus a into c, 725 into 1. So this we can do the calculation mentally now. 1 0 is there, so 0, 5 4s are 20, 0, carry 2, 8 9 10, 0, carry 1, 7 4s are 28 and 1 29, and this is 725. This addition also you can do mentally. 0 5 5, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 7 7, 9 2. Yes or no? So this is solving the sum using distributive property. Can I rub it off? This formula you can write it in the side, okay? This example also you need to write down. I'll rub this off and I'll write now example number 4. Let me keep the number same, student, okay? The A part let us keep it same, and let us change this number into something else. Suppose I write it as, what should I write? Let me take a smaller number. 725 also I'll rub. Okay, what do you want me to take? 59. Okay, one number is 59, and what can I take the other one? 17. Now, you have to decide first which one you want to split or expand. Whether you want to take 70. Here again, see, the purpose is that we are asked to solve it using property. Okay, and property means make the calculation easy. So here we'll have to decide which one you want to expand. expansion 17 you can expand, or you want to expand 59. So which one you will take as A, that you will have to decide first. I want to take 17 as A. Then 59, how can I expand it? Students, 59 is near to which tens place? 50 or 60? 59 is near to 60. Yes. So this can be written as 60 minus 1. Do you agree or not? Now since you have written this, multiply sign is there and subtraction is there. Two operation, distributive properties. Second rule, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So let me write down the property for your remembrance so that it becomes easy. So now why am I writing it again and again? So that I don't make a mistake. So you should write it down in the side so that you can avoid making mistake. So here this is A into B minus C. So we will write it in left hand side manner. So A into B minus A into C. Yes. So this is 0. 7 6 are 42. Carry 4. 6 1 are 6. 7 8 9 10. Yes. Minus 17. So 10 minus 7 is 3 0 0 1. Have you seen the calculation getting easy? So I hope you have understood this. On Friday I'll be taking a live class, so you can clarify your doubts there, and please solve question number 4 from your book, exercise 2.2. Now let us do from your exercise 2.2 question number 5. Now many of you will must, if you don't have if you have not seen the question, you can open the book. Let me read out the question for you. You open the book when I am reading the question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Liters, this is your exercise 2.2 question number, what is the question number? 5. Right? And I am doing the solution of question number 5. Okay. So what is given? A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Then he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol on Tuesday, the next day. If the petrol costs rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now children, this sum, you might think that okay, 40 liters of petrol on Monday, so 40 and each liter costs 44 rupees. So 40 into 44 you will do, you will get, and then you will say that next day on Tuesday he spent 50 liters. You filled 50 liters. Each liter costs 44. So 50 into 44 you will do. And then to find the total, how much he has spent, you will add them up. Yes. Your thinking is not wrong. This is absolutely correct. But here students, we will use property to solve it. Suppose in the question we don't mention anything. If you do it in that manner, we will not say wrong. But now after learning the property, we expect you to solve it using the property. So what can I write here? Liters of petrol filled on Monday is how much? Oh, this is 40 liter, right? Liters of petrol filled on Tuesday is how much? 50 liter. Yes. Cost of 1 liter petrol is how much? Rupees 44. Yes. So total petrol is how much? Total petrol purchased is how much? 40 plus 50. Yes. And the cost of 1 liter is 44. So We are asked to find the cost. So total cost, how can we write it down? 44 into 40 plus 50. Yes or no? Yes or no? We can write it in this